Welcome to part 3 of this tutorial. So now we will deal with a boolean. So boolean actually is a very crucial command. If you do it perfectly, then we can do the other things very nicely and smoothly. But if you mismanagement the boolean, it will be we will be in big trouble for when we do the rendering or texturing. So I'll show you the boolean process. I'll go in perspective. So now I'll just select this mesh and say right click. First I'll save this and give a name. 3D wall is fine. 001, I'll remove it. Say height selection. Go in front. So if you look closely, this is a door, this is a window, and this is a kind of railing, and this is a projection. This part is projection. So here we have same thing, but we have to take opening as a door opening over here, and this line is connected. If you see, we have not taken this line in AutoCAD. See, this is line we have not taken in that layer. That's why we are missing. And the line coming outside, it's showing the flooring of this flat. And if you see this in 3D Max, so this is we have to connect it. So in sense, this is the flooring. So the opening will be some around till here. So what I'll do is I'll make a rectangle, snap it, take inner part, and now press snap off S on my keyboard. So I just don't want, because it will not snap from this side. So what I'll do is I'll go to modify, say convert to editable spline, select this vertex. Now I'll say snap on. You can snap this point perfectly. If you see this white border, if you press J on your keyboard, it will remove it. See, like this. Snap off. Then drag. Just take a line. Fine, this much is fine. Snap off, select, press shift, okay, snap it, yes, go to perspective. So this is a separate, we are doing it. Again I'll go to front, I'll press snap off, because whenever I've done with the snap, I'll just off it, and I'll take a rectangle, take an inside. If you have to window, take outside. This much is fine. Snap off, convert to editable spline, shift copy. I'll just pause my tutorial. I'll just make a copy and I'll again start my tutorial. So I've done with this, and again if you see, here's the same window. So again I'll say shift drag S snap. Do this Windows. Take this door, rotatable spline, again the visibility of door is only this much. Convertible spline. We can just have an alignment basically. For Windows we have right. Still I don't require to this corner. Fine. Select both of this. We require the same thing here. Match point S snap. Done. This window is, I think, different. No. I'm gonna make this copy. This is different. This is same, so we'll do first here. Selecting both by clicking control. Shift drag. Okay. Take a rectangle. This window. So if you see, there is a difference between the windows. So actually, frankly speaking, it's very challenging plan, and we have to learn from this. So like, if you see, this window is perfect, and still we have not got the same measurements over here. So many times it happens while working, the plans is not correct, and we have to rectify at our level. So this is the great example to do this and learn this, how actually practical people actually work. So like, when we take an education, we do a very simple plans, and we learn from very simple plans as well. But what I think, why I've chosen this plan, because of this specifically these problems. See, again, same thing, like we can make this one, now it will match. I don't know reason behind this. I don't know why it's not matching, but still we get many confusing plans like this, and elevation where fine, there's a little balcony, and we can consider like one is 1 BHK or one is 2 BHK. So for 1 BHK they are providing small, but there is no sense, there is nothing like that. It always is the same. Fine. So this is what we tackle every day, and expect you to learn from this. So sorry, I think we can make this one. Press S and snap it. Go to modify. Okay. Again, I'll snap by pressing S. It has been snapped. Then again opening. and you can say mirror for this. So I'll just pause my video. So we have make all the rectangles and doors for windows and doors. So I'll go to perspective. If you see it's something like that, but keep in mind we have to make doors and windows for this side of balcony. If you see even this side we are concerned about this, so we will make, but for that we will do another part. Next part we'll make these windows from which is from left hand side, and then we will make attachment from edit spline and then extrude it, and then we will do the boolean. So for this tutorial, next tutorial we will do the left hand side windows, and thanks for watching this tutorial.